Namaskar, I am Ashok Kumar Gupta, Training Associate Chemistry at KVS ZIT Bhubaneswar. Today, I am going to present before you all the video lesson on calculations involving crystal parameters. This is the topic of class 12 chemistry unit 1, the solid state. After watching this video, you will be able to derive the relation between age length, rank, atomic mass and the density of the unit cell. You will be able to calculate the density of the crystal if the age, length, rank, atomic mass are known. You will be able to calculate the atomic mass if the age, length, rank and density of the crystal are known. We can determine the age length of the unit cell by X-ray diffraction. We can also calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. This is called Z from the knowledge of the type of the lattice. Let A be the age length of the unit cell, Z be the number of atoms per unit cell, M be the mass of the atom, then volume of the cubic unit cell is equal to A cube. Mass of the unit cell is equal to the number of atoms present in the unit cell multiplied by mass of each atom. Mathematically, it is equal to Z into small m, where small m is the mass of one atom and Z is the rank of the unit cell, that is the number of atoms present in one unit cell. Mass of an atom present in the unit cell can be calculated by dividing the molar mass of the element by Avogadro's number. So mass of the atom m is equal to molar mass divided by Avogadro's number. Density of the unit cell can be calculated by using this formula. Density is equal to mass of the object by volume. Mass of the unit cell we know is Zm, mass of the unit cell. So we can put here Zm, and volume of the unit cell is A cube. So we can put here A cube. Now we have just now discussed that the mass of one atom present in the unit cell is equal to molar mass of the element upon Avogadro's number. So we can put the value of small m here as capital M over Na, Avogadro's number. So this is the basic formula we are going to use for calculation. In this formula, A is to be expressed in centimeter and M is to be expressed in gram per mole and density D in gram per centimeter cube. We know the value of Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole. This formula can be applied to the two types of crystals: metallic crystal, in which the constituent particles are all alike, that is atoms, and ionic crystals, in which the constituent particles are oppositely charged ions. A metallic crystal may exist in three different types: primitive unit cell, where Z is equal to 1, and BCC, body centered cubic unit cell, where Z is equal to 2, face centered cubic unit cell, for which rank Z is 4. And in ionic crystal, there are three types of ionic crystals: cesium chloride type ionic crystal, Z for this type of crystal is 1, sodium chloride type crystal, for this type of crystal rank Z is 4, zinc sulfide type of crystal, for this type of crystal rank Z is 4. Once again, unit of D should be in gram per centimeter, unit of A in centimeter, and remember that 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. M, molar mass, should be in gram per mole, and Avogadro's number Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole. Now after having a look over these information, will apply these information to solve some numerical problems. Let us look at this numerical problem. Copper crystallizes into FCC lattice with age length 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Calculate density of copper. Given molar mass of copper 63.5 gram per mole and Avogadro's number is also given. So what are the information given in this question? Values given are age length 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, and because this is FCC unit cell, therefore rank Z is equal to 4, and molar mass of copper atom 63.5 gram per mole. Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 power 23 per mole. And what do we want to calculate? Density. So let us put these values in the equation. Density D is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Everything is known. Putting this value, get D is equal to 4 into 6.3 gram per mole, 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is the age length raised to the power of 3 cube. 6.022 into 10 power 23 per mole, Avogadro's number. Look here, this per mole will cancel per mole. So what is left? Gram and centimeter cube. Therefore, the unit after this will be gram per centimeter cube. Now, solving this, density is equal to 254 upon cube of 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 is equal to 47.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24, and this will remain as such. So this on solving gives 2540 divided by 283.3 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 8.96 gram per centimeter cube. This is the answer. So in this question everything was given. D was to be calculated. Let us look at the other question, number 2. In this question, atomic mass is given, FCC rank is given, density is given, and we have to calculate the age length of the unit cell, A. So the first step is identification of formula. D is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Then putting the values, density is given 6.23 gram per centimeter cube. Rank is 4, atomic mass 60, age length A is to be calculated, Avogadro's number is known. So we put the values and calculate for A cube. We get A cube as equal to 240 divided by 37.51 into 10 to the power of 23 centimeter cube. So this cube root of this value is A, and A is 400 picometer. So the answer is 400 picometer. This is the age length, 400 picometer. Now look at the third question. An element atomic mass 60 having face-centered cubic structure has a cell as of 400 picometer. What is its density? Look, this question number 3 and question number 2 are very much similar. Question number 2 and question number 3 are complementary of each other. Here density is to be calculated and age length is given, but in the previous question, in question number 2, density was given and you were supposed to calculate the age length A. So these two questions are complementary of each other. Question number 4. A metal atomic mass 50 has a body centered cubic lattice. The density of the metal is 5.91 gram per centimeter cube. Density is given. Find out the volume of the unit cell. That means A cube is the volume of the unit cell, right? And this is BCC unit cell. Therefore, rank is equal to how much? 2. Now find the volume of the unit cell. So the formula to be used is D is equal to Z m by A cube Na. Put the values. Density is given 5.91. 2 into molar mass is given 50. A cube is to be calculated. Avogadro's number 6.02 10 power 23. So A cube is equal to 100 divided by 5.91 6.91 gram per centimeter cube, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 per mole, and this is gram per mole. So this gram per mole, this gram will cancel gram, per mole will cancel, per mole, gram will cancel, gram per mole will cancel, per mole. So what do we get? Centimeter cube. So A cube will be equal to these many centimeter cubes. Yes, on solving we get A cube is equal to 2.82 into 10 to the power of minus 23 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the unit cell. Now look at question number 5. A metal has a face-centered cubic lattice structure. The length of the unit cell is 404 picometer. What is the molar mass of the metal atoms if the density of the metal is 2.72 gram per centimeter cube? This is FCC unit cell. FCC unit cell. Now in this question, Z is 4, density is 2.72 gram per centimeter cube, A is 404 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, Na is known, we have to calculate the molar mass. Put the values, solve it, and you will get the answer as 27 gram per mole. 27 gram per mole. Question number 6. An element crystallizes in simple cubic structure. Its density is 8 gram per centimeter cube and its 200 gram contains 24 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Calculate the age length. This is a little bit tricky question here. The molar mass is not given directly. You are given the information that 200 gram of the element contains 24 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, right? So from this we will find out molar mass. Simple cubic, so Z is equal to 1. This is simple cubic, therefore Z is equal to 1. Density is 8 gram per centimeter cube. Now from this knowledge, 24 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms weighs 200 gram, right? Therefore, one atom will weigh how many grams? 200 divided by 24 into 10 to the power 23 grams, and therefore 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, that is 1 mole, will weigh 200 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 24 into 10 to the power 23. So this is equal to almost 4 times this 10 to the power 23 cancels 10 to the power 23, 4 cancels 200, 50. So 50 gram per mole. 50 gram per mole, molar mass. Now what is the formula? Formula is density D is equal to Z M A cube Na is equal to, we have to calculate the age length. Therefore let us change the side. A cube is equal to Z M by D into Na. I've got this number. Z is 1, molar mass is 50 divided by density 8 gram per centimeter cube into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is equal to 1.04 into 10 to the power of minus 23 centimeter cube. Therefore A is equal to cube root of 1.04 into 10 to the power minus 23 is equal to 218 18.28 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter is equal to 218.28 picometer. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you might have been benefited. Please like, share and subscribe. In case of any suggestion or any further explanation, please write in the comment box or mail at ashok.62@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 9038396543. Thank you very much.